Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying 0 volts with a multimeter. This prevents shocks and protects the board. Once done, remove the control panel cover and set screws aside in a labeled container so nothing gets lost. Now visually inspect the PCB and connectors for burned components, loose wires, or blown fuses. Addressing these first saves time later, because most failures are simple connection or fuse issues rather than complex circuitry faults. You'll run targeted diagnostics, test fuses and relays with continuity, and swap any that read open because a cheap fuse often restores full function. Next, measure the 12V or 24V supply rails, and if low, trace to the transformer and filter caps. Bad caps drop voltage. Once voltages look good, reseat all ribbon cables and connectors. If buttons or LEDs misbehave, reflow suspect cold solder joints with a fine iron to restore reliable contact and button response. You reassemble the panel, restore power at the breaker, and verify functions. Fan spins, compressor engages, and thermostat responds. Doing tests in sequence isolates remaining faults. If controls act erratic, perform a firmware or settings reset per the manufacturer because corrupted settings mimic hardware failure. If problems persist, note any error codes, take photos of the board, and consider replacing the control board. This final step prevents chasing marginal repairs when replacement is faster and more reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.